Welcome to Deluxe. In this video we will be discussing some of the most advanced and innovative unmanned submarine drones that are set to revolutionize the way we explore and study the ocean. Revolutionizing underwater exploration. Top 5 advanced unmanned submarine drones of the future. 5. The Remus 100. The Remus 100 is a highly advanced autonomous underwater vehicle that can be used for a variety of applications, including oceanographic research, environmental monitoring, and military operations. Equipped with a range of sensors and imaging technology, this drone can operate at depths of up to 100 meters and collect data on a wide range of underwater environments. 4. The Glider. The glider is a highly versatile unmanned underwater vehicle that can be used for a range of applications, including environmental monitoring, oceanography, and military operations. Equipped with a range of sensors and communication systems, this drone can operate for extended periods of time and collect data from a wide range of locations. 3. The Nerus. The Nerus is an advanced hybrid remotely operated vehicle, ROV, that can explore the deepest parts of the ocean, including the Mariana Trench. With its sophisticated imaging and sampling systems, this drone can collect data and samples from the ocean floor, providing valuable insights into the mysteries of the deep. 2. The SeaFlyer. The SeaFlyer is a next-generation unmanned underwater glider that can travel long distances and gather data on ocean currents and temperatures. Equipped with a range of sensors and GPS technology, this drone can navigate through the water with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. 1. The Bluefin 21. The Bluefin 21 is a highly advanced autonomous underwater vehicle, AUV, that can dive up to 4,500 meters deep. Equipped with a range of sensors and imaging technology, this drone can map the ocean floor and collect valuable data on marine life and underwater environments. The development of advanced unmanned submarine drones is set to revolutionize the way we explore and study the ocean. With their sophisticated sensors, imaging technology, and autonomous navigation systems, these drones can collect valuable data and images from the ocean floor and provide us with a better understanding of the complex ecosystems that exist beneath the waves. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe.